Ever wondered how some people become wealthy despite earning a low income? Today, we'll unveil the secrets. In this video, we'll explore 5 practical and proven strategies that can help you build wealth even on a modest salary. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your financial future. Adopting a wealth-building mindset is the foundation of becoming rich, especially when starting on a low income. It's about shifting your perspective on money, from viewing it as something that controls you to seeing it as a tool that you control. This mindset shift involves believing in the possibility of financial growth, understanding the value of every dollar, and recognizing that small steps can lead to significant financial progress over time. To change your mindset towards money, start by setting clear financial goals. Write them down and visualize achieving them. Surround yourself with positive influences such as financial books, podcasts, and mentors who inspire and guide you. Practice gratitude for what you have and focus on incremental improvements rather than overnight success. By consistently reinforcing these positive attitudes, you will gradually build a mindset that supports wealth accumulation. Budgeting is crucial for low-income earners because it provides a clear picture of where your money is going and helps you make informed financial decisions. A budget acts as a roadmap, guiding your spending and ensuring you allocate money to essential areas such as savings, debt repayment, and investments. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of expenses and miss opportunities to save and invest. Even on a tight budget, there are ways to save money. Start by tracking all your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize needs over wants and find creative ways to reduce costs, such as cooking at home instead of eating out, canceling unused subscriptions, or shopping for deals and discounts. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a savings account each payday, even if it's a small amount. Over time, these savings will add up and provide a cushion for future investments or emergencies. Debt can significantly hinder wealth building if not managed properly. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances, can quickly accumulate and eat into your income, leaving less money available for saving and investing. Understanding the true cost of debt and its impact on your financial health is the first step toward effective debt management. To manage and reduce debt, start by creating a list of all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on others. This strategy, known as the avalanche method, reduces the amount of interest you pay over time. Alternatively, the snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Additionally, consider consolidating your debts to lower interest rates or seeking professional financial advice if your debt situation is overwhelming. By taking control of your debt, you free up more income to invest in your future wealth. Investing is a critical component of building wealth, as it allows your money to grow over time through compound interest. For beginners, investing might seem intimidating, but it's essentially about buying assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate that can generate returns. The key is to start early, even with small amounts, and to remain consistent. Understanding the basic concepts of risk and return, diversification, and long-term planning can set you on the right path. There are several affordable investment opportunities available for those starting on a low income. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are excellent options because they offer diversification by pooling money to invest in a broad market index or sector, often with low fees. Fractional shares are another accessible option, allowing you to buy portions of a stock if you can't afford a full share. These investment vehicles enable you to participate in the market with minimal capital and benefit from its growth over time. One effective way to build wealth on a low income is by increasing your earnings through side hustles or part-time jobs. This could include freelance work such as writing, graphic design, or programming, depending on your skills. Other options include driving for a ride-sharing service, pet sitting, or starting a small business like selling handmade goods online. Side hustles not only provide additional income, but also the opportunity to explore new interests and develop new skills. Investing in your skills is another powerful way to increase your income potential. By acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones, You can qualify for better paying jobs or more lucrative side hustles. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or gaining certifications in areas relevant to your career or interests. Continuously improving your skill set makes you more valuable in the job market and opens up opportunities for higher income and career advancement. What strategy will you start with? Let us know in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more content about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thank you for watching.